So so many jnanis do bhakti, so many materialists do bhakti. It's called karma mishra bhakti, gyan mishra bhakti. So you say, what do you want? Oh, I want this, that, the other thing. I'm doing bhakti. So that's not Shuddha bhakti, okay? So those that are practicing Shuddha bhakti, they have any one of these three bhavas. They Mora Patra. Krishna's Mora Putra. Krishna's my son. Mora Saka. Krishna's my friend. He's my friend. Sometimes I beat him up. Sometimes he beats me up. If he wins, I carry him. If I win, he carries me. Krishna, he's not a big man. And then Mora Pranapati. This is so one Madhurya Ras, Gopis and Krishna, and Mora Pranapati. You're not my pati. Pati just means you have some ritual and do some, and then you get married, and you're officially a pati and patni, husband and wife. They're saying you are the Lord of our prana. Body comes and goes, but prana goes on. The pancha pran carry this. What does I get confused? Linga Sharira. Soda body is Linga Sharira. The Pancha Pran carries the Linga Sharira out of this body to wherever it's supposed to go. So the Pran is, and Krishna says, I am Shabda, what does it say? Shabda Pranava Omkara. He says that Pranava, I am that Om, and the 5 forms of Prana. So to just say he's my pati, he's my pati, that's only for 50 years. Then he dies. But you're basing your upadi, your sambandha, your identity, your relationship on the basis of the bones. But the gopis are not, they're saying pranapati. Means you're our Lord life after life after life. You can crush him by your embrace, or crush me by your intense loving embrace, or break my heart by never appearing before me. You're still my Mora Pranapati. This is a Gopi Bhav, Radharani's Bhav. Ashul Shiva Parvatam Panashtamam Adarshan Mamatam Karutava Ita Tata Bhavadanantam Apato. But Prananathas. Pranapati, Prananath is the same. This is the highest level of intimacy. My pran, you control my pran. Skin and bones and mind, there's nothing. Prana is the essence, because pran controls everything. Pranayama, through pranayama you control mind and your destiny. Everything is done by pran.